that if I am to take this, if I were to take this, I'm going to take this. You can take this voltage and crank it from 7 up to the 15 volts that this is designed to take. And you'll screen recording will have to just go through and you're going to see exactly how this all fits together. So out of this circuit diagram, we decided to basically organize this logically instead of in the normal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The confusion of, okay, I'll go over each one of those in depth, the next 3 tutorials and
米食晒啲嘴點啱？啲米啊，食好多米啊！哇！啲貓成日都飯咁都話喎，啲貓食唔到啊！啲新鮮飯咧，雪過只食做一粒粒話咁樣啊！要雪到一粒粒粒，然後落熟佢搞掂㗎啦！邊使做咁多功夫咧？功夫做唔多，我整俾自己食。唔知咩貓啊？有撈雲嗰啲嘢點食？咁啊衰格啊嘛！你食晒啲魚唔食喎，呢衰喎！